Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s squared minus 5. Later that, we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one we have s squared minus number 5. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du equals to 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S ds we change by u du. So this is about number 1. And we have u plus c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.